So this is a lightweight, durable little dash cam. As you can see, I have it on. It sees 170 degrees in the front. The rear camera will see 130 degrees. And you can actually have both screens up at the same time. This is small, compact, but it's very clear. It comes with different suction cups for attachments. The camera in the back can be used as a backup camera. This is also GPS. This is just a really great, durable camera that you can even plug into your computer. It just will help you have information, documentation. Say if you drive a lot, for if anything ever happens, you'll have proof right here in this camera. Okay, so we got this backup camera on Amazon, and so it's also a dash cam. So we've got both set up there so you can see the reverse and the forward dash cam. Took the cords through, put them through the car, ran them along the baseboard, took out the outside, the backup camera there. The other is going to power supply, that then goes over here.